Let's say that you have a 3D printing business and you make these SpaceX rockets here, the Starship. You're good at doing this. Like, you have the skills to make this, you can make it good. But how do you actually sell these things online? I'm going to show you how you can do your 3D printing business, make money doing it, and be able to sell these things online. What do we need? Well, first, we need a way for people to see it, right? We need a way for people to know that these are even available, right? Then we're gonna need a logo, we're gonna need a brand name, all of that stuff. So the first thing that I'm gonna do, I would take a cool picture of this thing, multiple angles, so we can give it to AI as a reference. I would just get a bunch of shots of this from different angles, all right, so that they could see what it looked like. And you would take really good pictures of it. I'm just taking these quick like this because it'll still work out. Then I would drop these just straight into the computer. Okay, so I'm just gonna airdrop these pictures. Whenever you're working with AI, if you can give it references, this is the key. The more context or the more examples or the more anything that you can give it like that is gonna help you tremendously. Now, what I wanna do is I wanna give it those references, and we need to come up with a logo, we need to come up with a name. Okay, so let's do that. And I use chat, I use Claude. It just depends on, what I'm doing. I just try them all. ChatGPT is pretty good with images. So I'm gonna add images, go to that folder, select them all, drop them in there. And before I do anything, I want it to create a product sheet for this thing. Multiple angles on one sheet with a light gray background. So create a product reference sheet that I can use of this rocket that I'm going to sell online. It's 3D printed and it's just a model with a light gray high contrast background. I'm just going to be simple with that. Normally you could take that prompt right there and you could put it over in, say, Claude or another ChatGPT window and say, hey, here's what I'm trying to do. What should I ask you so that you make this perfect? Or here's the prompt that I'm starting with. How could I actually improve this prompt or make it perfect so that it gives me what it is that I want? See, people don't understand that you can literally take anything and AI will save you the time. Back in the past, it was really hard to get anything made or done because you had to be some sort of like Photoshop genius or video editor or something like this, or you had to be some creative copywriter and thinker. You don't have to be like that. It gave us this awesome image. So you notice how it did a really good job with creating a reference out of all this because I gave it all the different looks on it. Now we've got this design right here. And with that, now we can create a name and a logo because it has something that it knows that is the core product.